Awesome. Hello, JCON. Welcome to our presentation talk quiz thing. I'm Marit van Dijk.
And I'm still muted? No. I'm Hanno Embregts. Welcome to this talk. Thank you for spending your lunchtime with us.
Yes. This is a pop quiz. There is a prize for the winner, but please grab your phone and scan the QR code to log on to the quiz. We'll show it again later. And
there's no guitar still. So
okay, we're waiting for the guitar because we'll need it. And then I will explain a little bit the idea for our quiz.
Perfect.
And this is how it started. At some point, I read a tweet that said, you can sing public static void main like everybody dance now, and I can't stop doing it. And Hanno can demonstrate.
Yes, I can. I don't seem to have brought my music sheet for this one. That is interesting.
I can try to sing it without the guitar.
I'll just sing it without the guitar, right? That's a good thing.
Yes.
Here we go. Everybody dance now.
Except for public static void main. Yeah? Okay.
That's
you
good.
can never unhear that. So, you're welcome, or I'm sorry. And then someone replied that it also works to Vamos a la Playa.
Public static void main. Oh, oh, oh. Public static void main. Oh, oh.
And it quickly escalated from there. So, I told Hanno about this because, as some of you might know, Hanno has a talk called How Software Development is About, or How Stairway to Heaven is About Software Development, where he will actually play the entire song and then explain how the lyrics are about software development. And we met at a conference where he was doing that talk, and I said, I read about this tweet, etc. You know what we should do? We should do like a pop music quiz of songs that you can sing public static void main to. And he looked at me like I was crazy, which, might very well be true. But about a month later, he contacts me and he said, yeah, I looked at the top 2000 and I found 15 songs where this works. So here we are. And then, of course, Oracle had to ruin the joke with the improvements to the language and the simple source files and instance main methods, where instead of public static void main, we can now use a void main. But fortunately, someone helped us to find some songs that work with that as well.
But I'm conflicted about this feature. Right?
Yes, right. Because I do like public static void main.
Good stuff and bad stuff going on there.
So, I like that they're making the language easier to use, but also sometimes jokes get ruined, which is sad.
It is.
So, if everyone has logged on to the quiz, yes, we'll show our socials later. I have to escape this one and go to the quiz.
Have you told them what they can win?
Yes, you can win an IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate license. So if you don't have one yet, you can win that and collect your prize at the end. So let's get started. Name that song.
Public static void main. Public static void main.
You all got that, right? Yeah? So that was We Will Rock You by Queen. Okay, most of you got that. Interesting.
Very good, very good.
And Andres is in the lead. So not you, a different Andres. We have multiple Andres. Okay, interesting. So let's continue with the next song.
Public static void main. String array arcs. System up with line. Oh baby, baby.
Perfect. So we all got that. That's Oops, I Did It Again by Britney Spears. Most of you did. Woohoo! Andres still in the lead. Different Andres. Third song.
Public static void main. Oh, public static void main.
I somehow think that this is not the song that you're playing.
Oh,
actually,
sorry.
With the
Oh, sorry. Can we do it again?
yes, let's do it again.
Can we do it again?
Yes, let's do it again.
I set the quiz so you can change your answer, right? So a free pass for you. Sorry about that. It's a void main, a public static void main, public static void. Main.
I hope that helps with the options. Yeah?
I hope it helps.
And that was Welcome to the Jungle by Guns N' Roses originally. Singing along is appreciated, by the way. So if you get the song and you want to sing along, we would love that. Ooh, we have a new leader. Interesting. Okay, next one.
I know how to play this one, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah, you go.
Jinxed it.
Public static void main. Oh, public static void main.
So for those of you who got that the last time, that was Girls Just Want to Have Fun by Cyndi Lauper.
Right.
Okay, Melina still in the lead. Let's go. Next song.
Public static void main. Static void main. Public static void main is what we say. Public static void main. Static void main.
And I like how the timing actually worked for that one, because I had a lot of fun making these screencasts. That was, what's it called?
Go Your Own Way, right?
Go Your Own Way by Fleetwood Mac, which is off screen for some reason for me.
See more.
There
Yes,
you go.
There we go.
New leader, interesting. Let's go. Next song.
A public static void main.
So if you recognize the song again, you can sing along, please, and thank you. Awesome. That was Killing in the Name of by Rage Against the Machine. Ruben still in the lead.
Are we going already?
Yes,
Oh,
we're
sorry.
going already.
All the leaves are brown, the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray, the sky is gray. Public static void main on such a winter's day. When I do this, you know the lyrics, right? Okay.
So that was, in fact, California Dreaming by the Mamas and the Papas. Ruben is still in the lead. Next one.
That's me in a corner. That's me in a spotlight. Public static void main. Very good.
Thank you.
Trying to keep up with you. Just try system output something. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. Sang too quickly there.
Yes. That was Losing My Religion by R.E.M. And if you heard that song while you were in high school, don't forget to take your pain medication for your back. Anyway, Ruben still in the lead. Good job. Next one.
This might be a hard one.
Yes. Well, yes. 33% still got it. Candy by Iggy Pop. With Kate
song.
Pearson from the B-52s doing Candy's lyrics because Candy couldn't sing. Anyway, for your music trivia. And that puts Chris in the lead. Interesting. So, next one.
I'm gonna fight 'em. Public static void main, public static void main. String array arguments. System up in line right behind my back. I think you got
that
this
one was
right.
easier.
Yes, woo!
All of you got that.
Perfect
Seven Nation
score.
Army by
Woo!
the White Stripes. Good job. Awesome. Which does still leave Chris in the lead. So, next one.
So. Public static void main. Public static void main. Sing public static void main. Public static void main. String array args void main.
Interesting. Harder one. Oh, still 59% knew that was You Need to Calm Down by Taylor Swift.
My kids got that one right, by the way.
Of course they did.
Of course they did. But the other stuff is like, oh, that's old.
My kids know Public Static Void Main because we sing that at home all the time. So, you know, some of the kids might need Void Main, mine don't. Chris is still in the lead. Next song. The video is a hint for this one. See what I did there?
Public static void main. Public static void main. Public static void main.
And that was in fact
Very
Painted
good,
Black by the
very good.
Rolling Stones. Like I said, I had fun making the screencasts. Chris is still in the lead, but Mats is closing in. Let's see what's happening. Next song.
Don't you know that public static void main? Not much longer static void main. Oh, public static void main. Oh, it's public static void main. Honey, honey, yeah.
And that one was hard apparently, but I heard it through the grapevine by Gladys Knight and the Pips.
That is such old music, would my daughter
Yes.
say.
Oh, Chris is still in the lead. Okay. Next one.
Yeah, this is a hard one to play. Public static void main. Public static void main. What you make about one back, one back, one back.
I know Alina got that one. Okay, so that's You Should See Me in a Crown by Billie Eilish. Chris is still in the lead. Next one.
It's Richard in the room.
Yes.
There he is. Public static void main. When the skies are so blue. Here we go. Public static void main. Lord, I'm coming over you.
Which was, in fact, like all of you knew, Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. We'll do one more with
Please
Public
sing
Static
along.
Void Main, and please sing along
Please
with this
sing
one.
along with
You'll
this
get
one.
it, I'm sure.
Main. Take my hand, we'll make it out there. Whoa, public static void main. Very good.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you.
That was Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi. Sorry about that. Cannot unhear. Chris is still in the lead.
Final
Two
two songs,
more.
right. Void me. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Void me. Void me. That's cheating, by the way, using a for loop. I have to sing every syllable here, right? It's cheating.
You know, if your tools make you more productive. See what I did there?
Yeah.
That was To Brazil by the Venga Boys, with thanks to my ex-colleague Niels, who brought that up the last time we did this talk at JFL, because we needed songs to sing Void Main to. And that brings us to the last song. Someone beat
Final
Chris, come on.
Final song, come on, people.
Last song. I don't know, who's Chris?
Nothing's wrong with Chris. Void me, dabba dee dabba die, 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 dabba dee dabba die. Everyone, void me, dabba dee dabba die, 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 dabba dee dabba die. Void me.
And all of you got that. That was Blue Dabba Dee by Eiffel 65. And Chris is still the winner.
Yes,
so please
congrats,
come and
Chris.
collect your prize. Congratulations. And so we were Marit van Dijk and Hanno Embregts. And if you want to follow us on socials, you can.
You can.
But you
Thanks.
don't have to, only if you want to. So who's Chris? Who won? So please come down to collect your prize. And thank you all for playing and for joining
Thank you,
us.
everyone. Enjoy JCON.